the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. I'm Joost and today I'll install the Lefant robot vacuum cleaner. So let's unbox this and see what we get. So there's this sturdy egg carton packaging. A user manual, we have to dig into that to install it a little bit later, but first let's see the unit right here. So wow, that's nice and small. That's a really small robot vacuum here. A lot smaller than other brands I've seen. And a cool quick start guide that's taped on there with a QR code to install the app. So we have to do that as well in a minute. And well, that's just pretty cool right here. Let's put that down, what's in there. We have these side brushes here as well. And we also have 2 spare ones. So that's really great. If some of these get damaged, then we still have some spare ones. We don't have to buy them. Some batteries for the remote. Oh, and here's the remote right here. So it's also a little small remote. Then we have the charging cable right here and the dock. Let's unpack that. So a little black dock right here with some sturdy feet here, so it won't slip when the robot docks right over here. Okay, so let's get this set up. Okay, so let's get the protective film off there. And then we need to install the brushes. So this is already the wheels. Everything is working already. We just need to install the brushes. And that's pretty easy to do. Just have a square here and enter that, push that onto the square right there until you hear a click. Click. So those are on there as well. So this is ready to go. Now I like the fact that it is a brushless cleaner right here. So if you have a lot of cat hair like we do, this should still be able to work after a long time. You just have the little side brushes right here that move, but you can easily remove those. So that won't be a problem. So I'm eager to test this out. And this is pretty easy to install. You just put down the charging dock where you want it to sit, then insert the charging cable, and then you can put that charging cable into any wall outlet, so you can really put this anywhere you want. And then you just take the robot vacuum and put it on the charging dock so it can start charging. Now it comes already a little bit charged, so you can immediately start using this. And the way you do that is by using the remote. You can put in the batteries and then use that immediately. You have a start and pause button, a schedule button, a time setting button. You can adjust the suction level, and you can automatically return and charge with the home button, and you can set it to edge cleaning mode if you'd like. So there are all these buttons, and once you press play, press the start button, this will immediately start going through the entire room. So that's pretty easy to use. Now the second way you can use this is with the app, and you can scan the QR code and install the app from the Google Play Store or the Apple iStore very easily. Just create an account. Once you do that, you can scan for this via Wi-Fi and it will immediately start finding this, and you can add it. So that was very easy to do. Once you're in the app, you have a few options here. You can see the cleaning time, it is already cleaned, the cleaning area. You can also press play, of course, and start cleaning, so you can immediately clean with the app. You can click on recharge, so it will go home and to the charging dock. You can switch the mode and you can schedule it from here, which is also pretty cool. So you can set this to a specific date and time and then repeat that for like every week on a Monday. You can even do a manual control from here, so that can be quite a bit fun. And you can see how much battery it has left in the upper right corner. And you can also set what you want cleaned, so the whole area or along the edges or the spot focus. And once you press spot focus, this will clean just a specific area and go round and round until it has thoroughly cleaned it. So that's pretty cool. You can really zoom in on a specific area here where it is at that time. So this thing is very easy to use and install. I installed it in just like 15 minutes and got everything up and running. So I really recommend this for anyone looking for a nice and simple robot vacuum.